Hello? Hello? Paano ko naman kayo ma-hear? How do I do this? Teka, bruh. Wait. Teka, wait. I'm choosing the ones beside my face. Hey, guys. Wait, how do I let everyone talk? Paano ba ito? Oy, samo ka. Wait. Bro, sorry, I'm such a boomer dito. Teka lang. Am I not gonna see comments? Uh, wait. Paano to? Ah, there's request. Okay. I'm gonna, the first five.
Hi, Rain.
Hello po! Oh my
Hi,
God!
Rain.
Oh, hello! Oh
Hi,
my
Rain.
gosh!
I think you
Hey!
need to choose lang yung i-accept mo maging speaker.
Hi, guys! Oh, I found it now. I can accept people. Do I accept everyone or
Okay.
is that a bad idea?
You need to choose like admin.
Hi! Wait, how will I know if you're an admin po?
Ah, si Team Rain, yung may blue check.
Okay, yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, wait lang.
It's okay.
Wait lang. Oh my God.
It's your first time,
Yeah, this is
right?
my first time, bro. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh, this one,
It's
Team Rain
okay.
Official. Let's go.
Yeah, Team Rain official.
What?
Si
Keisha?
Rain yan.
Hi,
There's no picture.
Reina.
Hello! Oh, crazy to ah. I'm talking to you guys. Wow! This is like live where I can talk to you guys. That's crazy. What did you say hi? So, oh my God. Ah, okay, guys. So, what na nga? Guys, so, I'm, I'm doing this for the first time kasi, what happened to my live, TikTok live? Guys, talk to me! Am I also lagging here?
No.
Oh
Hi.
no. Thank you. Bakit? What happened to my live kanina?
Naglag nung umalis ka.
Ay. Hello po. What's your name po? Ay! Oh! Ate Jazz?
How are you, Reina?
Hello po. I'm fine. Thank you. Just sinisipon, but okay. Ate Jazz?
Up? What's up?
Oh! Hi, Ate
Hey,
Jazz.
hi Reina. Hi everyone.
Are you okay?
Jazz.
Hi. Yes, I'm okay. I'm just in bed, ready to sleep. Tapos nakita ko na, ano,
This is my first time. Crazy to ah.
bro, crazy.
Ano right? Yeah, I'm just
Yep.
testing out kasi talaga.
Nag-ano ka questions? You're gonna answer other questions here?
No, I'm just kasi nag-end yung live ko kasi nag whatever. Yeah. And I wanted to try space eh. So ito. Yeah.
This is fun. Mag-ano ka, like, let them ask you a question here. Ay, inutusan.
Ay, okay. I love it. May host po tayo for tonight.
Meron yan eh. See,
What? How
my
can they ask
question,
me?
you click the wow, nalaman ko lang din. Yung may, can you see the 228?
Ah,
Tapos may parang,
kani.
yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
You
and then you
can.
click that. And then you scroll down, I
Ba't
think.
nandito si Keisha? Oh.
Keisha here, sabi niya, unsa ni Bay?
Ah, really? Ay, oo. But it's all, there's no questions man, good.
There's one question here. Sir, rain, go away. What's your biggest fear?
Hala, oy, di mo na rain, go away, rain, ask away
Ay!
sad na, no? Grabe. Pinag-away man ako.
Sorry. Sorry. Rain, ask away. Automatic kasi.
Grabe siya.
Oh, what's your biggest fear? Ako na lang mag-scroll dito. Magtanong ka na, ay mag-answer
Matulog
ka
ka
dyan.
na. Ano ka ba?
Go.
Grabe, nag-host si Ate Jazz. Wow. Give a round of... Oh, wait. Ate Colette is here.
Pasok.
Amazing. This is so fun.
Sige, I'll scroll up for answers and then, ay, answers, ano na
I
to?
want a good
Hello,
sleep na
hello,
good.
hello,
Hey!
Hello.
hello.
Saba.
Let's go mga Bisaya.
Giatoy nalimang ko
Uy,
eh.
baba.
Yeah. Uy, dili ni video call ha. Ay, dili ni.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, abi na ako private message.
Private message.
1.8K yung nakikinig ko
Oh
lang.
my
1 point
God.
po. 2 points po kay Colette kasi po kahit nasa CR po siya nagbibideo call pa rin po. Wala po siyang respeto sa amin.
Makabaho. I can smell over here.
Grabe,
Wow,
how's
niya
Jensen?
naman.
From Jensen pa ah.
Oh nga no, you're in Jensen nga pala.
Yes, sa ball. Nasa
Eh,
Jensen Aquio.
kaya pala so energetic because you're at home. Let's go.
Correct ka, bola.
I miss
Malibag
you
sa ko,
guys,
giatay
bro.
na ni. Malibag sa ko,
Uy!
Sige,
babay, I love
enjoy.
you.
Bye-bye. I love you, Colette. Good
Bye, I
night.
love
Say,
you.
yati apod anang malibang, uy, ingnan tag-enjoy. Giatay.
Shucks.
Like, mag-tragil po diri malibang.
Ay, na-mute ko tuloy. Sorry.
Go
Ano, uy,
enjoy.
gayaw-ya pa niyo. May dalawa na.
Hello. Ako tuloy na. Okay.
Wala na Okay, not a question daw, but please drink your vitamins and medicine, please. Sabi ni Rains.
Thank you so much. I'm done na po. Yo, you know, Ate Jazz, I have sipon and bona. It's flu
Wow,
season pala.
crazy.
How about you?
It is. Ubo na. Ay, wala nang ubo, but, paus.
Ah, ikaw din, Ate Jazz, mag-vitamins ka rin daw.
Yes, tapos na po. Rain, ask away.
Wow,
What
tama
is
na yan.
your
Ask away
biggest
na yan.
fear?
What's my biggest
Biggest
fear?
fear.
My biggest fear is losing my loved ones, bro. Yeah.
Legit,
How about
bruh.
you, Ate Jazz?
Legit.
How about you, Ate Jazz? You also answer the question.
Ay,
This is...
hindi kasi Rain, ask away lang. Ako yung
No,
host.
this is not about Rain and Jazz. No, you're also here eh. Bala ka
Ako
dyan.
si Miss Bianca.
No! Mag-answer ka. Uy, kita duha. Ano ka ba?
Ikaw pinunta ng mga tao dito. Ako lang host. Okay lang yan.
Oh my God.
Pero same naman tayo. Ay! Pero sinagot.
Rupo ka.
Oo. Hindi ka sure. Wait, ano pa? Will you spend Ano, Rain? Will you spend Christmas? Ano will you? Yes, she will spend with Maya po.
Ay! Yeah. For real.
May isa pang question dito. Do you love Home Alone movies?
Yeah, I
According to
watch it.
B.
Yes! I watch Home Alone every Christmas.
Yeah, di ba?
Legit.
From,
May nakasulat dito. Parang ka-talking stage nating lahat si Rain.
crazy.
Grabe yan.
May isa from, ay yung question kanina galing kay Kay, Bini X Kai Rain.
Ayos, shout out.
Tapos ito from Lexi, #Rain, ask away. What is the biggest lesson you've learned from your PBB journey?
My PBB journey talaga legit. Like, my biggest learning talaga is to believe in myself, guys. Kasi, no one, I
True.
keep saying nga, no one will be, how will ever, wow, hindi makatalk. How will, how will someone believe in you when you yourself, you don't believe in yourself? You have to do it yourself first.
True.
Love yourself first, put yourself first, believe in yourself. You know?
True.
Bruh, that's what I learned talaga na parang, before you believe in others, do yourself first. Yeah.
True.
Yes.
Galing ng learnings mo.
Legit. What did you learn, Ate Jazz?
Broadcast mo to. Ay,
Huwag
broadcast.
ka na
Space
ma-shy,
mo to.
uy. Guys, you love Ate Jazz as much as I love Ate Jazz, don't you?
Oh, I love you, Rina. Biggest learning ko is to forgive yourself.
Mm. Oh my
Learn how to
God.
forgive yourself.
That was just the episode I watched kanina.
Ah,
Crazy.
yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Pero ang dami kasing learning sa bahay ni
Yeah,
Kuya eh.
true.
Pero yun yung nag-stick talaga na
Mm.
nasampal ako sa face ko ni Kuya
Ay,
na,
grabe naman.
oo nga, no? Hindi ako nagfa-forgive sa sarili ko. Kaya siguro ang laki ng baggage ko ng regret and conscience.
Mm.
And I forgot the term. Anyway, Rain ask away. Lexi pa rin. What course would you like to take if you go to college?
Now, I'm going back to my second choice. Parang business management.
Oh.
Kasi, I was doing, RadTech. You know that?
Yeah.
Radiology technologist.
Geology.
Yeah, pero parang mas mag-match if I do business ad. You know, diba?
Whatever makes you sleep at night. Whatever makes you happy.
Whatever makes
Anong
your
nasa
boat
puso
float.
mo? True. Ito, galing din kay Lexi. Ay, magaling.
Wow,
What's the
favorite mong
best
bunot yan
advice? Uy, kasi ang dami niyang question. What's the best advice you've ever received from Ate Jazz?
My best advice from Ate Jazz.
Crazy.
I remember, ang dami kasi advices ni Ate Jazz, legit. Kasi parang, when we talk about something, it will lead to like an advice talaga. Kasi Ate Jazz talaga eh. Words of wisdom girl talaga eh. But siguro yung nag-stuck talaga sa akin, yung na it's okay to feel things, you know? Ay, parang,
Yeah.
parang, what you feel right now, it's valid. And you shouldn't invalidate yourself kasi parang, nararamdaman mo yun. So, you should, parang i-feel mo yung emotions mo kasi if you're gonna bottle it all up, you're gonna explode someday. That's what Ate Jazz said.
Yeah. Crazy. I remember this conversation
Yeah.
sa White Couch.
Yeah, we had with Keisha.
Yeah.
I remember this. That's why.
Nonchalant.
It was a very magulong week. And Ate Jazz was there. And I was like, oh my God. Tama yung mga sinasabi ni Ate Jazz. We should all follow Ate Jazz. So I'm like, oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Keisha. Next question by Shane.
Say thank you, Keisha.
Ay, thank you, Rain.
Oh my God. Hanggang
Bro.
face pa naman.
Bro, this is crazy. I called Keisha Reina also. Wala na. Guys, I'm so sorry.
Never
I'm such a
really
bad
the
host. Sleepy na.
2-in-1 allegations.
True, ito from Shane. What advice would you give your pre-PBB self from the perspective of your future self now? Or your present self? Kasi now,
Kasi now we know na.
yeah,
Tapos si pre-PBB
PBB.
Rain, wala pa
Wala
siyang
kang
alam.
alam. Mm-mm.
Excited lang siya.
Yes.
I guess, wow, good question, no?
Diba? Ang galing
Wow,
ni
so
Shane.
smart. Sino yan? Shout
Si
out sa'yo.
Shane.
Shout out Shane. Enjoy. Kasi tama naman yung tinithink mo right now na i-enjoy mo siya. Because you have to enjoy the show talaga. You enjoy your stay there kasi it's a once in a lifetime experience. PBB is crazy. And
Mm-hmm.
you have enjoy it and treasure all the moments because it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be fast.
Actually.
So cherish every minute, every second, and but also be prepared for your emotions and be prepared for your. Just be prepared. I have nothing to say. No spoilers to you.
Just enjoy the process.
Just enjoy. Like legit.
Uh,
But actually, I enjoyed it, bro.
yeah.
What would you say to your pre-PBB Jazz?
Bruh. What would I say? Di ko alam. Di ko alam actually.
Diba? It was hard. I had to think.
I feel like I would just say na be an open book talaga.
Mm,
Like enjoy because it's a blessing to be part of
yeah.
PBB.
Yeah.
It is. But yeah, just be an open book and be more flexible to everything. Yeah. Yun
Yeah.
siguro.
Good job,
Hirap.
good job.
Pero di ba we had a conversation sa labas ng eviction night ni Mark na, pinili pala natin
Was that
to.
out? Na-air ba
I
yan?
don't know if that's aired.
Basta guys, when Mark was evicted, Ate Jess and I went out for air. Tapos biglang, naiyak lang kami. I'm like, Ate Jess, voluntary pala to. No?
Ang hirap pala nung ginusto natin to.
Yeah, kasi as much as like, we enjoyed the PBB stay, it was hard naman. It was
It was.
legit, it was a challenge. Kasi yun naman yung point ng show, di ba? I-challenge
Yeah.
kami. So, good job, PBB, kasi na-challenge kami.
True.
Yeah, but it was all a good experience. I loved it.
Yeah.
Daming learnings. Okay.
Amen. Okay, next question. From Sia. Sia? Are you going hiking again anytime soon?
Oh my God, Ate
Yes.
Jess!
Oh, sobrang busy. Sobrang busy.
Oh my gosh. It's gonna
But we
happen pa rin. I'm
yeah.
not gonna leave this world without doing a hiking with Ate Jess.
Yeah, I told Rain na I already asked where and yung mga rates and everything.
Yeah.
Kailangan lang namin ma-meet yung schedule.
Yeah. Kasi
Sobrang busy
bro,
pa.
BNK pa lang, nag-talk na kami Ate Jess na bro, we have to hike talaga.
Yeah.
My
And we will.
dream mountains are Pinatubo and Pulag.
We're going first, I think, sa Pulag.
Really? Wow, let's go.
I think so.
That's in
Di ko alam.
I think that's in Baguio ata eh.
Yeah, but when our schedules are
Please. Yeah.
yes.
Okay, alright.
Yes. But we will do that next year.
Yeah. You think the yacht party with the housemates will happen?
Feeling ko it will happen, pero true, true, true.
Agree.
That's agree. Okay, next. Oh, cute. Hi, Blythe. Sabi niya, just I wanna see you go scuba diving. When you're
For
planning to go,
real.
if you go, take Kai, Jaren, Colette, and Binsoy with you. Isama ko na din si Rain.
Wow, wala si Rain. Nandito.
Wala si Rain.
I'm kidding.
Tapos face. Anyway, bilisan ko to.
Matik na kasi matik.
Please paki-ask, gusto niya ba leche flan? Padalhan ko siya. Gusto mo ba daw leche flan? Padalhan ka daw bukas. Pwede ako din. Ay, joke lang.
Oh my God, just eat with me. Yeah, I eat anything, guys. You know, I'm not choosy. I'm not picky. I eat anything.
Yeah,
I love it.
Eat, rinse everything. Rain eats
How do
everything.
you eat your leche flan? Do you just cold or hot?
Cold.
Oh, it's
You
cold,
like
no?
hot?
No, I eat cold. Pero someone it to me hot. I'm like, oh.
Ooh,
So, na-shock lang ako kasi I always eat it cold eh.
is that Jolie?
Jolie?
Jolie eats like spaghetti. Ay, cold pala yung kay Jolie na spaghetti. Mali ako. Sorry. Never mind.
Oh, but fruits
Okay.
though cold.
Oh, fruits, of course. Definitely cold.
I know, right? Okay.
Anyway, Rain ask away. Sorry, galing yun kay Mamita. Yung leche
Mamita.
flan. Rain ask away from Vane. Are you aware of your international fans, mostly in Indonesia?
Ooh. Nakikita ko po here on X usually na meron kaming international fans. I'm like, wow, crazy. Paano yun nangyari? Kasi, I was just like, wow, like, wala lang, gulat ako and I'm thankful, grateful for supporters na lumalabas outside Philippines. I'm like, oh, thank you guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
What's up, Indonesia? Oh,
Oh.
thank you po.
Okay, next. Thank you for that question. My next, ito,
Hi,
from...
Hello po, Rain Reese.
Hi, Rain Reese.
Hello. Pwede pong pa-shout out sa Rain Race sa Lisigang.
Oh, shout out Rain Reese Salisigang, but what's Salisigang,
What's sa lisigang?
Ano po, sumasalisi po kami pag wala si Mama Mary.
Anong salisi?
We're the wrong people to be told Salisi.
Actually.
Sorry, guys. Salisi.
Salisi. Like,
She said,
makisig.
sumasalisi sila if wala si Mama Mary.
Like,
That's Kaino.
like magpapa-salisi. Like, lala, ha? Lalabas?
I think, sumisingit?
Opo.
Oo?
Oo?
Sumasalisi po para magkaayuda.
Ah!
Fasility.
Ah! That's why,
Sumisingit.
Ate just Rain Reese and Fiang Rain is actually so funny.
Actually, nakita ko
Kasi,
yan eh.
nakita mo, their humor is so funny. Like, nakita ko, kasi, in, what city ba yun?
Yung,
Cavite?
yung Cavite, yes, yes.
Yeah, Cavite. Kai wasn't there, and then they started like, oh, ito na time natin, chu 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 chu, and then nag
Nakita ko
friends sila
yun.
dun sa ex. I'm like, wow, they're so funny. I love you guys. I love Rain Reese and Fang Rain. Let's
Ganun
go,
lang.
guys.
Chill lang lahat. Walang
Yeah,
away, walang
yeah.
ganun.
No toxicity. Like, peaceful, funny. I love it.
Yes, we
Ganito
love
lang. Happy shipping. Love it.
That's true. And at the end of the day, we're all friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. May nagtanong, this is just the end game. Ano sa tingin nyo sa sarili nyo na naging role model kayo sa kabataan ngayon? Ikaw rin. Like,
Oh,
you're only 18, but grabe yung impact na you gave people and the
yeah.
inspiration. So, how do you feel?
At first, like, very overwhelming kasi I was just a student na maingay and makulit. And biglang, boom, marami na pa pala nag-watch sa akin, na-inspire sa akin. So I'm like, oh, I'm thankful. And proud of myself din na parang may impact pala akong ganun. And yeah, I wanna inspire people more
Yeah.
and talagang continue being a good role model. Role model. And yun po. As long as I know I'm doing the right thing, then I'm proud to be a good role model.
Yep.
Thanks, guys,
Yeah.
for supporting me. I love you all.
True, true,
Yeah.
true. Thank you all. But with great responsibility, ano ayun? Um,
With great responsibility comes with great
baliktad.
what? With
Power comes
great
with great responsibility.
yes, yeah. So
And
yeah, at the same time, I'm careful kasi you guys are looking at me as a role model. So
yeah,
dapat
that's
tama
true.
yung pinapakita ko.
Pero, like,
Yeah.
I hope people would realize, kasi may isang question dito na something you wish people understand about you that they often don't.
Mm.
I hope people would realize na at the end of the day, we're all human beings.
Tao.
We're not
Yes.
perfect also.
Yeah. As much as we want to be the perfect role model, no one's perfect. We're people naman.
Yeah.
So I hope everyone's nice naman to understand na we're all the same. We're all equal.
Yeah.
Tao tayo lahat. Magkakamali lahat. So
But we have to
let's all
learn
be
from
nice.
it.
Mm.
Yun lang.
Yeah.
Wait.
Give everyone the chance to learn. Kasi, you know, as kahit na, role model kami, tao pa rin. So be nice with your words, guys. Kasi, words are powerful.
Bruh,
So,
true. I've learned it the hard way, so you should learn from me.
mm,
Yung
yeah.
ganon.
Kasi,
Okay.
yeah, guys, be nice.
Yep.
Just spread positivity.
That's true.
Especially ngayon, it's ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, guys.
And it's almost 2025.
Mm-hmm.
Ilang days na lang, weeks na lang. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, last question. Wait, oh my God. Ang daming question
Oh,
eh.
yeah, perfect. Kasi it's
Yeah.
12:29. Yeah, it's okay, guys. Sa
Ooh.
mga hindi pa na-answer questions, I'm gonna answer them tomorrow. Reply lang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sige, ito na lang. Para, I think this is a good edit. Rain and Ate Jas, both of you are amazing at reading the room and being so empathetic. What do
Ooh.
you think are the pros and cons of that?
Got it, Jazz.
I think that's why instantly click din kami ni Rain because we're very similar.
Oh my
Di
God.
ba?
Wait lang. Just recently. Oh my gosh. Just recently. Like, I was just feeling, wasn't so good. Tapos, pero hindi ko pinapahalata kasi bakit ko pahalata sa world eh. So, but then, when I check my messages, we're just in the same table same table with Ate Jazz. Ate Jazz texted me, "Are you okay?" All caps. I'm like, wow. How did she know that? I was just, I was just going on with the flow, smiling naman there. Pero Ate just felt it. That's why I love Ate Jazz. Like, she knows me so well.
Yeah.
Even inside Kuya's house, very many times na, ayoko naman i-let out yung ano ko, yung nafe-feel ko. Kasi ayoko muna i-spread. Kasi if I talk about it, it's gonna be, down na, the energy. Pero Ate Jazz was there talaga. She knows. She knows me so well. I love you, Ate Jazz. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I was like, oh, this girl, she's not okay. So we're in the same table, pero hindi ko kasi siya katabi that time. Message lang ako,
Mm.
are you okay? All caps ta. I love you,
I
Rin.
was laughing. I love you.
Anyway, so yun,
What's
parang,
the question again?
both of you are amazing at reading the room and being so empathetic. What do you think are the pros and cons of that? I think the pros is, alam mo, you just know how to read the room and parang know how to kind of deal with people, adjust also at the same time. Pero the cons of it is not everyone in the room knows how to read. So sometimes it gets you, parang, sometimes naaanoy ka rin.
Parang
Parang, why
parang
can't she
naipit ka
read?
tuloy.
Oo, like, parang, why can't she read the room? Or why can't he read the room?
Yeah.
Like, hello, ganon. Yun, parang, kasi
Or
iba,
parang parang nabigyan ka ng responsibility.
yes.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
parang, sometimes, nakakapagod din. Pero masaya naman, you have responsibilities.
Yeah, but I'm thankful God gave me this na I can read the room kasi
Yeah, ako din.
it's important.
Mhm.
So, but everyone can learn naman how to read the room naman.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
yeah. It
Okay.
didn't come to me in an instant.
Yeah, that's true. Anyway, just for last, kasi parang heavy yun. What's your
Oo
favorite
nga.
movie and why? Yan na lang. Like, Christmas
Actually,
season. Oh, but that question
Home
is
Alone
kill.
talaga.
Home Alone.
Like, I watch it every Christmas. Tapos,
Yeah, true,
kahit
actually.
minsan wala akong ibang ma-watch, I'll watch Home Alone kahit it's not Christmas. Kasi, I don't know, very nostalgic and I just love it. I love it lang.
Yung ganun
Love
ko
it.
is Parent Trap.
Parent Trap?
Yeah, Lindsay
I'm gonna
Lohan.
watch it. I'm gonna watch it.
Bro, you
Is
haven't...
that Christmas ba?
No, it's not Christmas, but that's like the
Ah,
very, like, if wala ko ma-watch, Parent Trap talaga.
okay. I'll watch that then.
You
Sige,
should
sige.
watch. Yun yung twins sila.
Oh.
Anyway, you should watch that. Pero every Christmas, yung kay Vanessa Hudgens.
Sige, sige. I'll watch that. Noted, noted.
Serendipity and Home Alone. See, ang dami mo pang kailangan i-watch rin.
Oh my gosh. Oh, sige. We have Christmas break. Let's watch it.
Yes, okay. So, yun lang guys, kasi papatulogin na kayo ni Rain.
Yeah. Yeah. Tulog na tayo, guys.
But
Sorry
she
kasi
will answer most of your
tomorrow.
questions daw
Yeah.
tomorrow. Pag yan hindi, kukulitin ko din si
Ay,
Rain.
okay.
Rina,
I will.
Rina, answer mo.
Opo,
Pag
opo.
mong paasahin sila.
Thank you.
1.9 ngayon ah.
Thank you so much, Admin Jasmine. Thank you so much, Ate Jazz, for tonight.
course.
Talagang hinos niya yung space ko. I love it.
Let's
Kasi
go.
I was like, I don't know what to do pala. And then you came, I'm like, bro, thank you, thank you.
Of course, I got
Yeah,
you.
this was
Tinulungan lang
fun.
din ako dati ng admin ko. So, I'm just
Yeah.
returning the favor. And my
This
friends.
was so fun. This was so fun. I love you, Ate Jazz. Thank you for
I love
tonight.
you. Thank you everyone for
everyone.
supporting Rain.
Yeah. Thank you for everyone for supporting Ate Jazz.
Oh, thank you.
Kasi,
And all housemates.
everyone in the world, thank you so much. Thank you guys. I love you all. Matulog na tayong lahat kasi it's 12:34. So, let's
yes,
all
I
tulog
miss you.
na, and it's flu season pala, so let's all drink our vitamins and water. Also, you
Yeah.
Jasmine, Dudley Scales.
Yes, me too. And
Jasmine,
everyone, good night.
Helen, Dudley.
Guys.
Good night, everyone. I'm gonna end
Good
this
night,
now.
everyone. I
More
love you all.
spaces
Thank
soon.
you.
I love you all. Bye-bye. Good night, Ate
Go
Jazz. I love you.
reindeers. Good night. Good
Bye,
night. Love you, Reina.
everyone.
Bye-bye. Good
Mwah.
night. I love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.